high print. All right, so on the indexes, the FOMC announcement has been released early. We had our initial spike up, that's move 1. Here comes move 2, and we're looking for a continuation to be move 3. All right, here we go. So here's the beginning of move 3 right here. Beginning of move 3. See it start? There we go. So let's buy that. Got a little bit here, and it'll take it into it if it goes up. That's what we're looking for. So far we're still in move 2 with our first initial little bounce off of move 2. So this is the first move, move 1, and then we've got move 2 here, and we're trying to act like it wants to be the beginning of move 3. No dice yet, but it is trying. There we go. Now we got a fill on that one. Automatic fill, automatic targets and stops initiated within the platform. And at this point, really don't have to do anything. Just sit back and wait to see if the trade works out or not. You can actively manage it if you want to. If auto center freaks you out a little bit, you can just take off auto center, and that way you can manipulate these orders. So if you see something that you either do or do not like, you can drag it down into the price action there and get your fills. You can see it's breathing on our first target there and pulling back just slightly. We should get a fill here in just a few seconds. We've traded through our first target, plus 10 on the first 2 contracts, and then we've got another contract up here. Automatically moved our stop, and we're looking for the next target to be hit. So here's the time where you can start actively managing a little bit. If you want to bump up the stop, you could. We're going to stick to the game plan here on this situation. And if we get up to 603 and it starts looking like it's going to die off, we could potentially cut it loose then. But I don't want to just drag it down here just to drag it down here. So we've got some delta divergence on some other markets going on here. So I'm looking at the Dow and I'm looking at bonds. This was move 1. There was move 2. And then as soon as we took out this, there's the beginning of move 3. So we're in that trade at this point in time and looking to capitalize on potentially taking out this high here in this area. Second target's getting very close, and it's at 607. Ooh, really close. Got to be cautious because that is a little high there. So we're going to, there we go. We got a fill on it. All right, so we're out of 3/4 of our trade. Our next target is way, way high, like 100 points high. So on this point, I will either drag up the stop if you want to. It's entry minus 10 right now. I'm just going to drag it up 5 ticks. So I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm 5 ticks from entering. No possible way that you can lose money on the trade now unless the exchange just shuts down. So we're looking good, and now we're looking to see either signs of weaknesses to jump out of the rest of the trade, or we're looking to hold it into the close. And hold it into the close, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. If you get a real good running trade, you can hold on to it until the close. And that's how you do the 1, 2, 3 Fed announcement that I showed you on last night's video. We had the theory, and now this was the application. Obviously, you can do more or less contracts if you want to. Just make sure that you count it right. There's the initial thrust 1. Here's the reaction, point 2, and then the follow 3 in point 3. And we got long in this area. And then we just gently scaled out automatically through the software. And now we're just trying to hold on to it as long as we possibly can. Good luck. Hope it helps. See you on the next video.